everyone. So as you know, I've been through a huge backyard transformation, and today I'm going to take you through some of the beginning phases of what our backyard used to look like until around the end of last year, so in the fall of 2020.
Okay, so here we have what my backyard looked like before all the work. You can see that the fence is really in disrepair, and there are some trees that were planted back there that were not growing very well. There was a garden. However, it wasn't that functional. There was one on the ground and one sort of in a wooden box. And then we had built one to try and grow some tomatoes. If you have a look at the deck too, you can see that it really wasn't making the best use of space. And there was just a lot of really unutilized space in the backyard.
In phase two, that's when we started to pour the concrete pad and build out the frame for the gardens, building out the frame for the boardwalk. That all happened kind of in what we would call phase two.
So here we are when we started building the concrete pad. You can see that we did the deck over the winter in 2019. So this was when we first put the pad together. We're sort of calling this phase two, and the fence has already been built at this point. So we put in the new fence and the new deck in 2019, and we started with the concrete pad once we knew the swim spa was coming. And then from there, we also built some concrete foundations for the new garden. And this is going to be tomato garden here. And all of that wood you're seeing is for a boardwalk that was to go around the swim spa, and also a pergola. So you can see now the swim spa has been installed. We were in it well before the backyard was done. We started enjoying it the day it arrived. That was Mike building the pergola there. He designed and built that on his own. Probably our favorite feature of the reno.
In phase three of our backyard renovation, we finished it off with the grass, of course, with the installation of the swim spa and the pergola. And then I started to add in things like these cool Muskoka chairs that I have and planting the tomatoes.
We built a privacy wall. We've got the gardens all done. The boardwalk is finished and the sod was rolled out. It's not perfect because we have Molly the dog. And here's the final swim spa with the lights hanging over top. We've got the Muskoka chairs there for relaxing. It is truly our backyard paradise.